Hello, my AP historians. I hope all is well for you. It is Monday. It is Independent Work Day. Get your life together and do some work. Please don't leave it to the last minute. Oh, heavens. All right, let me tell y'all what y'all are doing today oh so quickly. So I'm going to use period one as my example platform. Remote learning, November 23rd through the 27th. Here's what you have to look forward to. Just think about persevering this week. I know it is Thanksgiving week, and we are extremely thankful. But I need you to still work during this week because remember, the 2 weeks of Christmas break is homework free week. Homework free 2 weeks, excuse me. Let me get that correct. All right. All right, here we go. Here's what you have to look forward to. A couple of things. There's several different types of due dates in here, even though the due date is going to say Monday the 30th by midnight. Please don't be forgetful with some of these due dates because we do not want to incur the late penalty. All right, here we go. Watch this instructional video. You're doing that right now. Great. I will post it and it will be at the bottom of the list of to do. All right, we're going to have a chapter 23 quiz during the AP block on Tuesday at 11:30. All right, I'm going to use that entire 80 minutes. You'll have a 10-minute quiz. And then secondly, you will read Giovanni Boccaccio's Decameron. Now, this was a series of about 100 stories that were created by 7 gentlemen and 3 women. These particular Italians had ventured out into Florence in the countryside of Italy, escaping from the Black Death. All right. Very fitting to this particular historical pandemic we are going through now. So what I want you to do, it is a brief read. It's the intro of his book. And I want you to keep this question in mind as you're reading and taking notes and annotating on a different sheet of paper because you only get a student view of this. What are the historical parallels between the Black Death and the coronavirus? I will repeat the question. What are the historical parallels between the Black Death and the coronavirus? This is going to be due Tuesday during our AP block at 11:30. We are going to do a discussion. I'm going to ask the question and then I'm going to close my lips and you guys will take off discussing. I will be checking for participation from each individual student, making sure you give me input, and that input would be a piece of evidence and the parallel between the two coronavirus pandemics, well, between the coronavirus and the Black Death. All right, here we go. Next, chapter 26 and 27, we're going to do inspect charts and vocabulary. I have cut down considerably the vocab for chapter 23, and the inspect charts are labeled for you. This assignment is going to be due November 30th at midnight, along with a reading schedule. And then lastly, religious sites, art, and monumental architecture. This is key for the AP World History exam. That is a portion of the CED. Miss Jones, what does CED mean? Don't you worry about that. The CED basically tells Miss Jones what she needs to teach and what is valuable in a unit. And so you are going to choose 4 sites to visit, due by Friday at midnight. All right. So I'm going to show you the links. Here is your reading for Tuesday. Boccaccio's Decameron. Here it comes. Let's be patient. It is precious. Bring it for Miss Jones. It is a PDF file linked to my Google Drive, and it is being precious, and it is being oh so precious. Okay, it does work. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Stop with all the shenanigans. All right, let me pull it up on my drive. I think it's being crazy because I haven't assigned it fully. And so that's what the issue is. All right, where's my article? All right, hold on. I just recently brought this about. Come on, precious ones. Don't fail me. Oh, no. Oh, here. No, that's Louisiana Purchase. Oh, heavens. All right, I'll get that squared away and you guys will have access to it. I'm sorry. I know where else I can find it. Y'all would like, Ms. Jones, you tripping. I know. Here we go. Let me just show y'all. It's right here. Oh, heavens. Oh, y'all gonna be in my business for a hot moment. Here it is. I put it under AP. I know I did. If I don't find it oh so quickly, Miss Jones, we'll figure out what is wrong with my. Here it is. I just put this up. I just saved it. I'll do it again. It is just tripping. Maybe if I open it with a Google Doc and save it that way, it'll be much better associated with the assignment. Y'all are like, Miss Jones, you tripping. I am. Now this is about to work my nerves and I'm about to stop this immediately. Here we go. Here we go. All right. I don't like this. I don't like this. No, I don't like it. No. All right. So we'll look at it like this and I for sure you it will be there. If not, somebody will send me an email. All right. So here is the reading piece that you guys will look at for Tuesday's assignment. All right. Let's get back to this. It'll be there when you look at it. Inspect charts. You each have a copy. This is a reminder of what you'll be looking at. And then make sure you look at the headings here of what things can go in here. All right, so the Qin Dynasty is what you'll be inspecting. Here are the page numbers for chapter 26. And then the vocabulary that will fit inside all of these boxes. And then the vocabulary that'll fit inside 27's boxes of the Ottomans, the Safavid, and here's the page numbers, and the Mughal empires. All right, so that is the reading assignment. All right, out of this, back in here, okay, here is the religious sites, art, and monumental architecture. Remember, oh, let me show y'all my reading schedule. I'm sorry, forgive me. One student said, Miss Jones, that's so complicated, I'm not going to do it. All right, so what I do is I open up the book. The Qin Dynasty starts off as a blue, and then the Manchus are in like the yellowish gold. And then you read starting here through population growth. So all it is the subheadings of the chapter. So chapter 26, and then you start with the foreign trade and you read through end of the Jesuit missions. All right. Chapter 26, bam, done. Then you start off with the eyewitness of Shah Jahan's monument to love. I love Shah Jahan. Read his evidence piece and then all the way through Allah to Imperial Islamic Society. These are Islamic empires, all right? So these are known as the gunpowder empires of the Ottoman, the Mughal, and the Safavid, all right? Thursday, there will be no reading. So this is the beginning of chapter 27. Thursday, all I want you to do is eat turkey and pies and things of that nature. And then lastly, the dynastic state to Istanbul, and then Isfahan to the printing press, which ends the chapter 27. Simple as that. That's the way I organize it. You can organize it the way you please. All right, so you just get a copy of this. And basically what you're going to do is look at this list of things. And if you want to peruse through your reading to see what you can alleviate not to read, I'd advise you the Versailles. The Versailles is one that I really want everyone to choose. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this yellow. Must choose. Must choose, because it will be on the AP exam. All right. So you'll get a short article and a 360 degree virtual tour of this particular hall. All right. And then you can choose 3 others. All right. The Taj Mahal is actually rather great, but I'm not saying anything. But anyway, here are the sites for you to choose. These are it says use the following links to complete the handout on the important religious, political monuments and art that were created in 1450 to 1750 CE time period, due on Friday. And then lastly, you will pick up the copy. This is my copy of this particular, the monumental architecture. So look at these all coincide with the other list. And once you get to the ones that you want to choose, and I say you must choose the Versailles, so everyone will be doing the Versailles. I'm going to highlight this one yellow. Everyone will do this Versailles. This is the must choose. And then from there, you can decide what you want the other three. All right. That should do it. All right, party people. That should be it for this week's assignment. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please send me an email to the pip